What's up everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd TV. In today's tutorial, I'm going to share something brand new, how to instantly generate websites using the new AI website generator powered by Sitejet, now available right inside cPanel, which is included with all RackNerd shared and reseller hosting plans. This new feature is a game changer because it allows you to build a professional, mobile-friendly website in just minutes. Instead of spending hours setting up pages or coding, the AI generator creates your homepage automatically, complete with sections about service, contact, things like that. Full multi-page website generation is also on the roadmap for a future update. And here's the best part, it's already included with RackNerd's cPanel shared hosting plans. That means if you're hosting with us right now, you can access this feature. Just keep in mind, the AI generator works only when you create a new website inside of Sitejet. It's not available for sites that you've already built before, and if you're a RackNerd reseller hosting customer, the good news is you can extend this feature to your end users at no additional cost. Your end users will be able to access the new AI website builder from within their cPanel control panel interface as well. This makes your value proposition as a reseller even stronger by allowing you to offer cutting-edge AI website building tools to your clients without any extra overhead or licensing fees. So if you're not already hosting with us, I highly recommend heading over to RackNerd.com to check out our plans with this new AI site builder included. You'll have one of the fastest ways to launch a professional website there is. Before we begin, let me also mention that in our recent tutorials, I've shown you how to troubleshoot WordPress issues using File Manager and PHPMyAdmin. Today's guide is just a bit different. It's all about quickly creating a new site from scratch using AI. So if you're ready to go, let's see how powerful this tool really is and get started. First, log into your cPanel account. Inside cPanel, scroll down until you find the Sitejet website builder option and click on it. Once you're inside Sitejet, click on New Website. But if you're using a Sitejet for the first time, it may automatically prompt you with the option to either use AI website generator or choose a template. For this tutorial, let's go with the AI website generator. You'll be asked to provide some basic information such as your industry or purpose, site's name, and description. This helps the AI understand what kind of content and layout to generate for you. After filling that out, just click on generate. The AI will then create a homepage for you automatically with text, images, and sections tailored to your input. Once the homepage is ready, you can go in and customize it further by selecting sections you want for your site. Please follow along with me on how I use the AI generated sections. All we need to do is basically select what we need or unselect what we don't want, and just simply move over to the next option. Once you're done customizing your sections, you may now edit your site with the usual Sitejet editor feature. Sitejet gives you an intuitive drag and drop editor where you can edit text, swap images, or adjust layouts. This means you can launch your site instantly, but still refine it to match your brand or style. When you're happy with the results, click publish and your new site will go live right away. And that's it. You've just seen how easy it is to create a brand new website using Sitejet's AI website generator inside of cPanel. In just a few clicks, you can go from nothing to a professional search engine ready site optimized for both desktop and mobile. This is one of the many reasons why RackNerd's cPanel hosting stands out. We're always adding new tools that make building and managing websites easier. With the Sitejet AI website generator, you no longer need to spend hours building from scratch. Let AI handle the heavy lifting and then fine-tune things to your liking. So if you're ready to start building faster, go check out RackNerd.com for our hosting plans. And of course, if this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more guides just like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.